Good morning, students. Today we have learned physics, class 6, chapter number 2, physical quantities and measurement. This is the second part of this chapter. First of all, how we express the unit. We express the unit with the help of prefix. Prefix are divided into two parts, such as multiples and submultiples. Multiples is used as the larger unit and submultiples are used as the smaller units. The multiples and submultiples are depend upon the factor of 10. We represent at the factor of 10. Factor of 10 means we write in the form of 10, only 10. Understand? It means the factor of 10. Here such examples of submultiples. Understand? Deci means 1 by 10. We denote it 10 to the power minus 1. Centi means 1 by 100. We denote it in the 10 to the power minus 2. How we denote 10 to the power minus 1? When 10 to the power 1 it goes upward, then it makes negative. Here 1 by 100 means 1 by 10 to the power 2. When it goes upward, it takes negative sign. Milli means 1 by 1000, 1 by 10 to the power cube, it goes upward and 10 to the power minus cube. Micro means 1 by 10 to the power 6. 2 to 4 to 6. Understand? 1 by 10 to the power 6, it goes upward and 10 to the power minus 6. Nano means 1 by 10 to the power 9. 2, 4 to 6 to 8, 1, 9. Understand? 1 to 10 to the power 9, it goes upward, then 10 to the power minus 9. These are the some multiple units. These are the smaller units. We take larger units that are known as multiples. The larger unit known as multiples. Understand? Such as deca. Understand? So we denote it in the form of larger unit, deca, hecto. These are the example of multiples of larger unit. Understand how we express the physical quantities. The next topic, how we write the physical quantities, how we take the physical quantities. Understand, students? We use symbol and writing for guidelines, such as mass. How we denote mass? Mass is denote in the form of, we use the unit kg. As for example, we write 5 kg. Then kg is the SI unit of mass. Length is denoted as in the terms of SI unit meter. So we write 5 meter. These are the SI unit of mass, length. Understand, students? The next topic of our chapter is measurement of length. How we denote measurement of length. First of all, what do you mean by length? First of all, you understand what do you mean by length. What is length? The distance between 2 points is known as length. The distance between 2 points is known as length. Here AB is a point and here A is a point and B is a point. Here A is a point and B is a point. The distance between AB is known as its length. Understand? Length is a first fundamental physical quantities. The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of length is meter. It is denoted by symbol M. It is denoted by symbol M. The next topic of our chapter is mass. What is mass? What is mass? The quantity of matter present in a body is known as mass. The quantity of matter present in a body is known as mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. It is denoted as kg. It is denoted as kg. Understand? Our next topic is time. What do you mean by time? Time. Understand? Our next topic is time. The interval between 2 points, the instant between 2 points is known as time. The instant between 2 points is known as time. Understand? Students, what is time? As for example, the instant, we take an instant at 8 and 8:30. The instant between these moments is known as time interval. Clear? Stop करिए ना भाई.